your Facebook cover photo only visible to you. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can make your Facebook cover photo only visible to you. So if you want to make your Facebook cover photo private or only me, you have to follow this step. First of all, launch your Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your Facebook app, you have to tap on the menu icon here. This is on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and go for the setting and privacy and tap on the setting. Once you are on your settings, scroll down and go for your post. Once you are on your post, here you can see your future post. So you have to set it to the only me. After that, you can go back and you have to navigate to your profile and tap on the camera icon, go for the upload a photo. And after that, you have to select your photo and go for the save option here. And you have to wait until the cover photo has been successfully uploaded here. After uploading your cover photo, here you can see the globe option. So you have to just go for the privacy icon, which is usually a globe next to the photo date. You have to tap on the three dot and go for the edit post and tap on the public. So if you find the only me option, you have to select on the only me option here. So after that, you can successfully update your cover photo on the only me. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.